Hello guys, and welcome to another day with Zimaleta. In today's video we're going to be doing an unboxing video, but not just any unboxing video. This is actually a flame type of a portable speaker. It basically displays kind of like flames. That's what it looks like, and it plays music. This lamp is actually really cool. It's actually really efficient, and for 24 hours you could just have the lamp on and just kind of like have the romantic vibe going inside with the flames kind of going and stuff like that. The charge of this lamp is going to be between 4 and 5 hours, but if you play music it's between 7 to 8 hours. That's how long it's going to last. So without no further ado, let's unbox it, let's test it. We're going to actually keep this video short. Okay guys, without no further ado, let's go ahead and unbox the speaker and see what kind of unboxing experience we have here. We have it very nicely packaged with this foam, and then there's the speaker. It also comes with a charging cable, and it comes with some manuals. So anyways guys, it's got some handy type of booklets here. There's some warranty information card and things like that, and if you have any questions or problems, you could actually contact them. This is in a quick user guide. There's that information, and then everything else is in here, basically all the starting up guide. We won't really need it. Let's go ahead and unbox, get it out of this plastic here, and let's see if it comes charged from the factory. This is what it actually looks like. And guys, what I found it to be cool actually, it's got this 1/4 inch type of screw connector here, so you can actually put this on a tripod. Wow, that's actually pretty nice, or like a monopod or something. And it's got like a sticky pad over here as well. Actually, no, this is just a protective thing. So we're gonna remove that. This makes the speaker kind of like an anti-slip type of device. So over here, to turn on a lamp, you just basically tap it one time and check it out, guys. Isn't that really cool? Look at it, guys. It looks just like flames are going. And that's basically 96 LED lights that are just basically going on and off and kind of like in a flame type of fashion, which is really nice. That's why it's called an atmosphere lamp. So in order for us to connect our Bluetooth device, we're gonna of course need our device that we're gonna connect it to, which in this case is going to be an iPhone, and open up your Bluetooth menu, and then you hold the power button, which is right here. Hold it for 2 seconds, and now it's starting to blink, and you're gonna need to look for the device that's gonna say like A1. Basically, you can see this speaker name right here and then A1, so you just gonna need to select that and then allow it. It's gonna appear on the very top as being connected. Then let's actually try some music out, guys. Phone to pick up the sounds. So let's try to basically bring it closer, like with the speaker at the bottom. And then I'm going to try to play through the speaker once again. So you get a feel that this is what your phone's going to sound like, and then that's what a speaker sounds like. I believe it's 75 decibels of sound. Watching YouTube videos using a speaker and listening to music while I'm editing videos here for you guys on the laptop. So what can I say, guys? If you'd like to get the speaker, I'm gonna have the link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys really like it. I like it. So anyways, take care.
My name is Serge Zimaleta. I'm 37 years old, and yes, I experienced success after buying my first home for cash. Back in 2011, I was broke, but I learned to solve problems on my own. Now I'm helping others to solve their problems. I know what pitfalls to avoid to stay profitable in business. Need motivation to be more successful in your life? Do you have Sprinter expedite or business problems? Then subscribe. Let's find creative solutions to your problems. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my helpful videos.